Hi everyone, welcome back to We Live a Lot. Today I'm going to be reviewing a sleeping bag made by King Camp. It's the 400 Superior XL. This sleeping bag has a lot of amazing features that I've actually never seen on sleeping bags before. It is a little bit thicker, so I haven't used this in the summertime. I'm busting this out for our fall camping and winter months just because it is a lot thicker. I want to start off by making note that this is not a backpacking sleeping bag. It's a little bit heavier. It weighs in right under 4 pounds. So if you're looking for an ultralight sleeping bag, this is not the choice for you. But if you're looking for something that's very comfortable, you're not concerned about weight, it does pack up pretty small, so it's great to throw into like your normal camping setup or throw it into your car camping setup because it's very, very comfortable and warm. I wanted to start off with one of the things I noticed right away that caught my attention because I am a cold sleeper is it has this amazing like dual lined plush, almost like a sleeping hood. It's super cool. It has double cinches, so once you get into the sleeping bag, you can go ahead and snuggle down and cinch it up so it does have that extra warmth to secure in all that body heat. The other thing that I noticed right away, which was amazing, was if you come down here to the end, it has a completely separate zipper. So if you wanted to get a little extra airflow into your sleeping bag, go ahead and unzip this. You can stretch your feet out. So if you do choose to use this in the summer, it's a great extra ventilation for you. So primarily I use this for fall camping just because of the warmth it provides, the extra like securing around the base of your chest area. I love having the extra warmth put in. But for my spring and summer camping, I do typically use a sleeping quilt. The bag is very large and does have extra room. It's not like your typical mummy bag. It's super wide. It's coming in about 90 by 5 by 36 by 2. So if you tend to toss and turn a lot when you're sleeping, this is going to give you the space to do that, which I definitely move around when I sleep, and I did not feel confined when I was in here. One other thing that's really awesome about this King Camp sleeping bag is if you choose to get another one, they will zip up together. So for myself and my husband in the colder months, we will get sleeping bags that attach so that we can just make one double-sized sleeping bag. So that's an awesome feature that they have. One of the things I really like about the King Camp sleeping bag is not only it's super, super warm, but I have plenty of space in this sleeping bag. So with all the layers that I use to sleep on, I have tons of room. And if I do get hot, I do have the extra ventilation down here. The fabric of this sleeping bag is so comfortable. I mean, it doesn't look super thick, but it kind of gives you a nice layer of cushion when you're laying on your sleeping pad. And it's just so very, very warm. I love having the extra collar up around my neck to kind of secure so no drafts come in the middle of the night. And the ease of using the zipper, it does have the double-sided from the inside and outside, so it's easy to get in and out of. I am super happy with the King Camp sleeping bag. This is going to be my go-to for fall camping, spring camping, now that I know it has that extra ventilation, so that way if I do get too hot, it's easy to adjust my body temperature. King Camp did a great job. I would definitely give this 2 thumbs up. I will put the link in the description if you want to check it out. It does come in a variety of colors and also different sizes. The price does fluctuate depending on what specific item you decide to go with. This is a great item to add to any camping setup. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of any new items that we're reviewing. And remember, why live a little when you can live a lot?